Next one says, which of the following statement about the standard hydrogen electrode is not correct? A says hydrogen gas is at a pressure of 1 atmosphere. This is correct. B says a solution of 1 mole per dm cube of hydrogen ion is used. This is correct, because the standard state concentration must be 1 mole, pressure must be 1 atmosphere. A platinum electron is used. This is correct. The temperature is kept at 20 degrees Celsius. No, this is not correct. The temperature must be standard temperature, and standard temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, that's very important. Now, for those of you that don't know, I think it looks like this. This is the platinum electrode. Then you have a space here where hydrogen is being pumped into. Then, of course, connected to the other electrode. Both of them are in their solutions, and so on and so forth. But that's by the way. That's a topic on its own. Okay, so that leads us to the next one, number 9. It says, if 60 grams of M combines with 20 grams of oxygen, what will be the empirical formula of the compound? Okay, to know empirical formula, we start by writing the elements. So the elements here, we have M and oxygen. Then we write their masses. The mass here is 60 grams. The mass of oxygen is 24 grams. Write their relative atomic masses or molar masses. This is 120, oxygen is 16. Then we find their number of moles, okay? So number of moles means to divide. 60 divided by 120, this would give us 0.5. Here 24 divided by 16, this will give us 1.5. And of course 1.5, whenever you see 1.5, do not approximate. All you need to do to make them balance. Okay, but before you do this, you divide by the smallest ratio. Divide by smallest ratio. So 0.5 is smaller, so I'll divide by 0.5. Then here will be 1.5 divided by 0.5, right? And this would be 1 and this would be 3. So the answer is MO3, so which is C. So number 10 says the product of electrolysis of dilute, now look at the word dilute sodium chloride using carbon electrode is very simple. At the anode and the cathode, because it is dilute, the product at the anode is definitely oxygen. Electrolysis always gives oxygen at the anode whenever you are using carbon electrodes or you are using inert electrodes. Anode is always oxygen, except